Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can read your systems report and manage your account. So let's hop into systems report. If you don't know what is a system is an actual term people type in Google and trigger your keywords. Keywords are the terms that you add in your campaigns and ad groups, and the systems are terms that actually trigger your keywords. So they might be a little bit different from your actual keywords, and if you're using exact match type they will be almost similar. If you're using phrase match type, Google understands the meaning of your keyword and tries to match systems with them. They will be a little bit more different than actual keywords, and the broad match it goes too much broad. I will show you an example of the exact match clause variant. So you can see the keyword is car flat tire repair and the system triggered against it is tire repair. So people looking for tire repair, Google is matching this system against this exact match keyword. So you can see there is much similarity between these two terms. So Google is showing our ad on this search term. And if I show you phrase match close variant, here it is phrase match close variant. So I have added this keyword as a phrase match, and the Google is triggering our this keyword against tire delivery and fitting. So someone looking for tire fitting service and tire delivery service, this is not the exact keyword that we have added in our campaign. So someone looking for tire delivery and tire fitting service, we haven't targeted the same system, but Google is trying to understand the meaning of our keyword and is matching our systems with the phrase match keyword. So these are the two examples of phrase match close variant and exact match close variant. So let's start understanding the search term report. So you can see I have sorted search terms according to the clicks, and I have also selected the date range of past month and this month also. So you can select pretty much any date range you want. And if you are just starting out your campaigns, then you should at least see search terms report weekly and add the non-performing search terms as negative keywords and the performing search terms as exact match keywords. If you have targeted the keywords as phrase match keywords or broad match keywords. If you are using broad match keywords, you have to be aggressive with the negative keyword strategy. Otherwise, your lot of budget will be wasted. So sort according to the clicks, and let's start reading the systems. Tire puncture repair near me, dial a tire and tire repair near me, tire repair near me, mobile tire change service near me, puncture repair near me. So you can see the systems which have most of the clicks are relevant. This is because this account is quite old, and at the start I have added all the non-performing systems as a negative keywords, and now my campaigns are matured. So you can pretty much arrange all the columns according to your needs. So let's see what are these different columns: impressions and clicks, conversions, click-through rate, average CPC, average cost per click, the cost of these systems combined, and impression absolute top percent and impression top percent. So what are these two columns? I like to add these two columns in this overview because this is a service based business and I want to maximize my visibility. So you can see absolute top impression share is 61%. So 61% of the time our ad is the first ad in the Google when people type the search terms related to our business, and almost 93% our ad is shown above the organic search results in the ad section. Those are 4 to 5 places, and our ad is in the top 4 places 93% of the time, and 61% of the time our ad is the first ad in the auction. You can see my conversion rate is 54.68%. So you can see this is a service based business and it's an emergency business. That's why conversion rate is too high. Not all the time conversion rate is like this, so don't worry if you have low conversion rate. So you can also filter your search terms against different KPIs. Let's say clicks. You can see the clicks are greater than 5. Show me all the search terms those have clicks greater than 5. So it will show you the list of those search terms. You can also filter search terms that contains specific words in it. For example, if you see that the certain word is occurring in my search terms repeatedly, so you can filter search terms that contains that specific word. And when I researched this search term report and I saw that people are typing price or cost, and they're looking for services like tire repair cost, tire service cost, tire change price, these type of systems, but they are not converting. So I wanted to see what's the conversion rate for the systems that contains cost or price, and when I looked into it, the conversion rates were not good. So let me show you system that contains cost or price and apply it, and you can see there are 38 impressions and 6 clicks and only one conversion. If you have watched the video from the start, then you might know that the conversion rate for this account is more than 50%. So this is not good. And now what I can do, I can add cost and price as negative broad match keywords in my negative keyword list that I have applied to my campaigns. And what it will do, it will not trigger any of my ad that contains cost or price. So let me show you. Go to keywords, negative keywords, and click on this list. I have applied this list to my campaigns, and click on plus button, add cost and price. These are negative broad match keywords. So any system that contains price or cost will not trigger any of my ad. So let's go back to the systems report. Let's say the average CPC of your account is $5, and some of the systems are costing you $7 or $8 or $9. So what you can do is you can filter systems according to the average CPCs and type whatever amount you want. Let's say I want to enter 35, and what I can do, I can look into the conversion rate. So you can see there are 35 impressions, 16 clicks, and 13 conversions. So the conversion rate is almost 81%. So higher CPCs for my account are not denting my account. They are actually improving the conversion rates of my account. So you can add whatever amount you want for the max CPC for your account, and you can see whether the high CPC clicks are costing you money or they are performing well. And then you can adjust the CPCs of your keywords. You can also filter systems that are triggering your specific keywords. For example, for this account, I have added many keywords that contains repair in it. For example, flat tire repair, car flat tire repair, car tire repair near me. So what I can do, I can filter systems that are triggering my keywords with specific text. Click on keyword text and contains, click on repair. It will give you the summary of the results. It will list all the systems that are triggering keywords with repair in it. So you can see emergency tire repair, roadside tire repair near me. The repair word is common in the keywords, and it will give you the overview. So you can see there are 441 clicks and 230 conversions. Click-through rate is 13.5%, 05%, and conversion rate is 52%. So the conversion rate is good. Overall performance of my keywords with the repair, you can say it, the theme of the keywords. So the repair theme is working fine. You can get the broad overview of the keywords using this technique. What else you can do? You can filter the systems that are triggering your specific 3 to 4 keywords or 5 keywords or whatever the number of keywords. Good example of it, if your keywords are not performing well and are showing poor results, conversions are low. So what you can do, you can filter out all the systems that are triggering those keywords, and you can see whether those systems are good, are relevant to your business or not. So if those are not relevant, you can add those systems as negative keywords. Let me show you how you can add systems as negative. Click on add as negative keyword, and you can add the negative keyword at ad group level, at campaign level, or even in the negative keyword list. Negative keyword list is actually a list of negative keywords that you create at once, and later you can add that negative keyword list to your campaigns. So it's a good idea to create a negative keyword list. If it's a general list, you cannot apply the same negative keyword list to all your campaigns if it's not general. So you can save it, but I'm not going to save it because this is quite a good keyword. So filter out keyword text equals. So you can see I have added these 3 keywords. So any system that is triggering my these 3 keywords are going to be listed down here, and you can see below the summary of the results. There are 114 clicks and 70 conversions. The conversion rate is good. all the results are good. I don't need to do anything. But if these keywords were not performing, you could see the systems report and see what is happening in the systems, whether the systems are good or not.